Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today we're going to be using some of this blackout tape to cover up a couple of the chrome accents I've got here on the Optima. You can pick this stuff up at AutoZone, Pep Boys, or online on Amazon. It's actually pretty cheap. So let's go ahead and see what tools we need to get this applied to the car. Alrighty, so here's everything that we're going to need. I've got some cleaner and a microfiber cloth. I've got a razor to cut off the extra of the tape that we can peel away. And then I've also got a little detailing tool that we're going to use to help us push in some of the edges here. So let's go ahead and get some of this stuff installed. Alrighty everybody, and we are finished up for the day. We went ahead and tackled the two pieces that are on top of our lights, and then we went ahead and got all four of the door handles. Now we do have some more chrome on here, these top parts that go above the windows, and those are very big pieces. There's our handles on this side to see what they look like. So eventually I will be doing these huge pieces, but for today that's where I'm gonna go ahead and stop. As you can see, it's gotten super sunny and really hot out, and actually the instructions say that you're not supposed to install this stuff once it gets above 80 degrees, and now I think it's all the way up to like 90 or something. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and call it quits for the day, but thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out this video. If you have any questions about this blackout tape, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. I'll also be leaving a link to some of it in the description down below if you want to go ahead and get some for your car. Again, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I hope to see you in my next video.